All right, so welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting chart breakdown, possible my trades that I take, profits, the whole works. So it's just for educational purposes, right? I'll do weekly chart breaks down. I'll do possible post the trades that I take for the day, whether it's a lose or a win. The reason why I take the trade and the reason why I get out of it and stuff like that, right? So right now we're currently looking at the USDJPY pair. This is the pair that I trade the most. Why? Because it's volatile and when it moves, it gives you a big movement, right? So with this pair, you can earn a lot of money as well as you can lose as well. So currently doing a chart breakdown for what I'm looking at for this week. Now let me just clear the chart off. Right, so currently we're on the weekly time frame. Normally for the chart breakdown I analyze from the weekly time frame because what I do is something that we call a top-down analysis, which means that you analyze the market from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, right? So for me, normally I start from the weekly time frame and I like mark out the support levels, resistance levels. So I analyze it using the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, right? Now on the 1 hour and the 30 minutes and 15 minutes, that's where I normally look to enter the market, right? So with that being said, let's get into the video and I hope you learn something from it. All right, so as I stated, once I come on the chart, I'll mark out my support levels, resistance levels. So this is the weekly. So currently, we have this support level right here. Let me just put a line right there. So that would have been a support level, very strong support level. We have two touches on the weekly time frame. We have a resistance level right here. Right, so we have a resistance level right there, and these levels are very vital. Why? Because you can get very good setups from these levels, right? So I currently have a chart markup which I already done. Let me just go back a bit so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Now, each line on my chart represents a level on the different time frames. So as I stated, these are the levels that you will get your setup from, right? So we have a support level right here. We have this high, which is was a resistance level. Market was a strong pullback all the way back down to this level, and now the market is bullish, right? When I said like bullish, meaning the market is going up, right? So doing the top down analysis, start from the weekly going down to the daily. So now I'll go down to my daily time frame, right? So on the daily time frame, as you can see, the market is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So higher high is when the market push higher than the previous high. The higher low is when the market come back, but it doesn't break below the previous low, right? So all of this is in the course that I'm gonna put out. Very simple, very easy to understand and basic. Nothing to overcomplicate the brain or anything of that sort. Right. So that being said, as I said on the daily, seeing that the candlesticks are less, you won't see much details, but the daily time frame is good because it gives you the overall direction of where the market is going, right? So if I should go down on the 4 hour, so lower the time frame, the more details you will see. So on the 4 hour, you can see that you're seeing a lot more candles, right? And the market make a steep pullback to this level right here, and then it continues to push to the upside. Pullback pushes up, right? Give us a pullback, pushes up, pull back, and then it pushes up. So now we are at resistance level currently, right? So for this resistance level, I'm seeing that it was coming based off this long wick that was made. And then if you look over here, you can see the market break through it, right? It comes back into this range. So right here, we have a strong resistance level right here. Let me just put a red line here. Yeah, so we have a strong resistance level that the market didn't break through. So let me just go down to my 1 hour time frame to see the market much better, right? So as I stated, this has been a strong resistance level. The market hasn't break through it as yet. As you can see, this was the opening candle at 5 p.m. Market pushes up, and then we have a strong rejection. So there is no confirmation on this chart as yet, right? So trading again is all about patience and just doing the right thing at the right time, timing and all that stuff. So given that we have a strong rejection, we have no trade confirmation as yet. The market is still bullish in my opinion. So if it's a case where the market should break above this resistance level, give us a retest, and then also break through this line right here, then that's when I'll start looking for buys, right? So as I stated, Asia session, I don't trade Asia session. Why? There's a lot of uncertainty and there's not a lot of trading activities. So the best session to trade is London session and New York session. For USDJPY, you get a lot of movements in London session. London session opens about 2 a.m. Eastern time. New York session 8 a.m. Eastern time. So that being said, yeah. So if we should get a break above this resistance level, possibly give us a break above here. Retest is back to this zone, continue to push up and pushes past this resistance level, then we can look for our entry point anywhere above here, right? And then we have this range to take out right here, and then we also have another range higher. We have the 159 range up here that the market can also take out as well. So no trade confirmation as yet. Still waiting. If I should tap down, go down to the 30 minutes time frame, then you can see still have a big bearish candle, no confirmation as yet. So as I stated, it's all about patience, doing the right thing at the right time, and proper risk management. So currently we're just waiting on the market to break above this give us a retest, and then continue to push higher, and then that's where I'll take my entry, right? So it's pretty simple, pretty basic. My strategy is nothing to overcomplicate the brain. It's just simple break and retest strategy. Trading off the support and resistance levels and getting the overall direction of the market. Because seeing that the market is bullish, I won't be looking for any selling opportunities. Why? Because you don't know when the market might give you a deep pullback or turn back on you. Hit your stop loss and then continue moving in the correct direction, right? So you want to be always trading with where the market is going, right? So as I stated, I'm just being patient right now, waiting for the market to do its thing. Once I get the break and retest of this level, continue to push up, then that's where I take my entry. Normally go for 1 to 3, 1 to 4, or 1 to 5, and then we'll just I'll see where it goes from there. And I do hope you kind of grasp something from this, and you can apply it to your chart, right? As I stated, the course will be dropping soon. It's very basic. The price won't be high, so it will be affordable for everyone, and yeah, you can get some knowledge from that as well. So yeah, that's the chart breakdown for now. Peace out.